Alright, welcome to Excalibur Resort Tower, room 21251. Let's head in. Alright, looks like we got your basic standard room right here. When you open the door, you have your spacious bathroom. Got a large countertop, just the stool towels. Comes equipped with a hair dryer. Very nice. You got a walk-in shower with a shower curtain. Love that. Okay. Let's move on into the room. Large mirror across from your closet. 2 sliding doors. And an ironing board. A couple of hangers. Just to put stuff up there on a shelf. This room does come with a fridge. Small little cooler fridge. It's always useful. It's better than bringing a cooler. All right, 2 queen beds. Looks like you just got 1 plug in there by the light. Couple drawers, there's your safe. Looks like an old MGM room. TV cabinet, you got drawers. Little shelf with your ice bucket, and cups, and a desk, and a reading light with a plug-in. It's like Tap Sports Bar is advertising on the desk. It is an older place, and it does have the air conditioning unit underneath the window. Nice and noisy. We do have a pool view. Pretty decent pool complex. 1, 2, 3, 4 pools it looks like. Complete with a waterfall. You got I-15. Legion Stadium. And over on this side, you have T-Mobile Arena. I mean, if you were coming into town, staying in this room, it's actually be a pretty good spot for a game or a show. Walking distance to both. But overall, not a bad room. Give you a shot of the 2 queens again. Alright, well, hopefully this room tour helps you out in deciding to stay at Excalibur. Once again, this is the Resort Tower, room 21251. Thanks for watching.